be here.
What are you doing? Jockey! Go on, get off! Get it off!
Well, we made it right there, and we almost didn't thanks to the Ram Pro Masters two-wheel drive. What's up, everyone? Phil here, down to mob. And yeah, we talked about that in our last video, the differences in living full-time in a van versus a truck camper. Today's video though, we're trying something new. You've seen I've tested tons of power stations over the years, like probably 25 over the last 7 years on YouTube. So I was so excited when DJI reached out to test their new 1000 watt power station. So we're gonna be doing something new today that we've never done off a power station, and that is cooking. All right, DJI Power 1000. So awesome, you guys. I love DJI products. Been using their drones for 7 years full-time of YouTube, and you're actually watching right now on the DJI Osmo 3. So DJI's just been coming out with so many cool things. Would you look at that? Would you just look at it? Let's power this baby on. I would assume it's a 2 tap and hold. Did you hear that? Just like the drone. So sick. Wow, I love the text on this display and everything. Comes at 49%, just like all power stations, halfway. So we'll give this bad boy a charge up, but listen to the power off, just like your drone. All right, the beauty about having one of these things in a van like Amanda's, where we've got full solar. I'll turn the inverter on right now. She's got 400 watts on the roof, so we can plug in a power station, take some of the van's power, and essentially just move it over to the power station off the van as well. Oh, do you hear that? I love the noises. They just like the drone. Holy cow. So we're bringing in 1200 watts off Amanda's van, which is the most I've ever seen. It's already at 50%. But cool thing here, let's flip it to 600 and see if it'll just charge up. Yes, it's dropping to 600. That is an amazing feature for when you want to, like, I don't want to be pulling 1200 watts. We're going to drop voltage too low in Amanda's van. So that is just perfect. You can see there too that it's got 51 minutes, it says, until it's fully charged. Love it when it says that, just to give you some insight into what's going on over there. All right, let's see if we can cook off it. I've got this induction burner that you can just plug right on in. Oh, sounds so cool. All right, we've got the cast iron on. We've got it set to 600 watts, and it is pulling just that, 600 watts. Awesome. Let's try it out on the 900 watts, and we'll see the wattage go up to 920. And let's go ahead and give the 1400 watts a test. Boom, 1400. Let's see if we can do it. It's only a 1000. No freaking way. Look at that. We're pulling 1440 watts continuous off of that. It's actually got a 2200 watt inverter, so no surprise today. We're gonna make some breakfast tacos. So let's go down here and get our ingredients from the fridge. We're actually doing turkey sausage because it's healthier, and when you mix it all up, you don't even notice the difference. Poblano peppers. We'll dice up some onion here and make a little bit of Greek yogurt, a little bit of taco sauce. And we'll call that a taco, you know? Some veggies. Let's put it at 900. Alrighty. We'll get some oil in the pan. Cast iron too is good on, it works on induction, so that's sweet. But yeah, check this out. Ground turkey with taco seasoning. You can mix some chorizo in here too, but yeah, it just gets a lot healthier end result and makes me feel a lot better. I'm still learning this DJI Osmo. It is awesome though. Check it out. I can flip you guys around. Boom! And then we can look down at our food. Boom! Super smooth. Yeah, really cool, fun camera to use. So we're drawing 800 watts, 900 watts, and you'll see that is only gonna last for 35 minutes. But then watch, the voltage drops because it doesn't need to put 900 into it the whole time to keep the pan heated up. So this will be a good test to see if we're actually going to have enough power on this power station to cook this up. And the van got it charged up to about, I think 75%, yeah, before I started all this. So we could have a really sunny day, charge this thing up fully off the power station, use it to cook at night, and still have full power in the van. Having an extra power station is just awesome. Makes it, the possibilities are endless. I think at this point we'll probably just toss this in. This is probably gonna be better to do the one pot method to conserve power. So yeah, as much stuff as you could cook at once, I think will be best in this thing. What do you think of the face tracking on the DJI Osmo though? Makes my life a whole lot easier. I can just hang out. If I want you to look down at the pan, I'll just bring my face down to it. Hey, look at this pan. How cool is this? Yeah, DJI products are just rad. So it's really cool to see them getting into the power station game. Ooh, this is smelling good, you guys. Right now, I've got so much going on with the Mobzilla build, as you guys know. Waiting on the flatbed right now. And the Bison Overland camper is in production. Stoked with that. We're getting the Fuso ready for sale. Doing work on the Jeep Grand Cherokee as well. We're gonna take it to King of the Hammers. But anyways, got 3 vehicles right now that are all kind of being worked on. So lots going on, and just very thankful to have access to Amanda's beautiful van. Oh yeah, also almost forgot. So while we're cooking some stuff too, come over here to the power station and charge some other stuff we got. Move this food out of the way here and peel the nice sticker off. Ooh yeah, I love using these charge cables. They've got iPhone ends, USB-C, and the micros. It extends too. So my iPhone is charging, we're charging a speaker, a camera, and we're cooking breakfast off the DJI 1000 watt power station, baby. And look at that, we still got 58%. We could go for another half hour at this rate. Food only needs probably another 5 or 10 minutes. So that means that we will have enough power to charge up the one wheel, go on a little one wheel ride as well, and keep our cameras charged. And we're not using any power from the van. I'd say this thing's working pretty Pretty good so far. Might even have enough power to make a smoothie. Hey Beans, what do you think of the new DJI Power Station, Bubbles? Pretty cool, huh? Looks like it smells good. Dang, it's a sizzling. I'd call that done. I'm gonna turn it off. And look at that, everyone. We've still got 46% left on our battery. That's quite amazing. A little bit of that 25 gram protein Greek yogurt. Gonna taste just like sour cream, you guys. These look good, huh? The world is wacky. Life is just weird, isn't it? Like, I'm here in a van making tacos and you're watching. Oh no! Corn tortillas have seen better days, you guys. Oh, they're terribly falling apart. But here we go. It tastes delicious. So we went from 75 to 46%. So we used 29% of that battery to make these tacos. That is not bad. If you can fully charge this during the day, you can cook everything you need. And all this is gonna make for some really good leftovers. So, check it out. Right down here, Amanda stores her electric, she calls it a zipper oven. Hot Logic Mini on Amazon is like the name brand. This is a knockoff, but same difference. It's basically a lunchbox with a heating pad in the bottom, and you plug it in. All right, so check it out. Plug this thing in. There's no buttons or anything. It's just automatically on. Only draws 200-ish watts, which is very, very little compared to 1400 to cook this. So you put your food in there, you leave it in there for about a half hour. It'll run this for, look at that, it says 3 hours on there. See that? And we are not gonna need 3 hours to reheat this. Like I said, we'll maybe need a half hour. Look at that beautiful view out there. Yeah, the zip oven is just another incredible tool for cooking on the road using electricity. I love it. So if we store this stuff in like a glass Pyrex, take it out of the fridge, put it right in there, heat it up, eat it again, boom. Life's easy, and we just made healthy food for ourselves from scratch. Now that we got that stuff ready for leftovers, let's go on a quick one-wheel ride. Love riding the one wheel. So much fun, especially through the woods. Detect my face track enabled. Let's see how far it'll go. I'm gonna follow over here. Sorts of stuff for today's smoothie. It's already got some pineapple juice in there that I blended up a little bit ago. We'll do the last of the strawberries, half a frozen banana, kale. Oh, kale. Lots of blueberries, dates, 1 raw egg. Yep. Some Thrive greens. And some local honey. Wow. Well, we only used 1% of the battery to make this smoothie. This is a 1200 watt Ninja smoothie maker, and it only ever showed pulling 700 watts. Man, that's good. Mainly because of that Thrive Greens tastes really good. So, wild. I could have been blending a smoothie and cooking at the same time because, again, this thing has a 2200 watt peak inverter. They've also got this little DJI dongle you can plug in and connect to an app on your phone. Came with this sweet carrying bag. You got zippers here to put. Oh, wow. No way. That's so cool. Grab our power station here. Oh, wow. Fits like a glove. I love this. And then you can carry it like this and just go. See ya. See you later, guys. I gotta go. Just kidding. Just kidding. Look at this, you guys. Boom. You got access to the whole freaking kit and caboodle. And then you got vents here. And yeah, these things are so good. They were scooching on the table. Skirt. Little burnout noises. Well, as you can see, I'm digging the new DJI Power 1000 portable solar power station. It's got an MPPT solar charge controller, so you can plug a solar panel straight into this thing. 2200 watt inverter. And this really cool carrying case, the option to switch from 600 watt to 1200 watt power, fast charging your DJI drone batteries. This thing is awesome. I love DJI products in general. This entire video was shot on a DJI Osmo 3. Check the link below for the new DJI Power 1000 power station. Thank you guys for watching. Comment what you thought. Hit the like if you enjoyed the video. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the Mobzilla F550 build that we're doing this year, turning into our dream Overland vehicle. We're getting the Mitsubishi Fuso ready to sell, and a lot of big updates coming soon on the channel. We'll catch you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching. The only question is, are you down to mob with DJI, baby? Yeah.